Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss how to convert Excel file into PDF file. Normally when we want to convert the data from Excel to PDF, we will use some third-party apps and websites. Even though if you are using that websites, we will not get the data in proper manner. Without using third-party apps and websites also, we can convert the data from Excel to PDF. I will show you in this video. In this video, we will discuss how to convert Excel file into PDF file. This is Veeru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. So with the help of this file, we can convert the data from Excel to PDF file. So here we have three sheets. If you convert the data from Excel to PDF, so we have different steps. First we have to go to File, Save As, and select the path where you want to save that one. Here we have to select PDF. This save as type format. We have to select the PDF and go to options. Here you can select the options like if you want to convert all the pages, so it will convert. If you want to convert only selected area in the file, so it will generate that. So if you convert the entire sheets, it will generate that sheet. So if you convert only active sheet, so wherever we have, suppose if you are in sheet 1, it will convert only sheet 1 data. So if you give entire book, it will convert sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3 data. So now we will check entire workbook. We will select and click on OK, then save. That's it. So it will convert the data. See, it will not converted in proper way. So how we have to resolve it? So it will convert based on whatever is there in the view format. It is in normal format. If you go to page break view, so we have to align the range here, and also in sheet 2 page break view. So everything you will keep in page 1. So how many pages you want, like that you align the format like this and go to File, Save As, and browse it wherever you want and go to PDF file as a save as type and go to options. Here you have to select entire workbook and click OK, save. So it is asking for replace it. I'm giving yes. So here I will get, go to minimize this one. This is page 1, page 2 and page 3. In this way we can convert Excel data into PDF file. Hope this video will helpful to you. Please do like, share and like my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thank you very much.